Mastering the art of roasting vegetables. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a delicious and essential cooking technique that's not only simple but also a game changer for your meals: roasting vegetables. Whether you're an English language learner or a cooking enthusiast, understanding this phrase can add an exciting layer to both your language skills and culinary repertoire. Let's explore together how to roast the vegetables, and why it's a favorite method among chefs and home cooks alike. Roasting is a cooking method that involves cooking food, in this case, vegetables, in an oven using dry heat. This process caramelizes the exterior of the vegetables, bringing out their natural sweetness and flavors, resulting in a crispy outside and a tender inside. When we say, roast the vegetables, we're talking about placing chopped or whole vegetables in a preheated oven, usually with some oil, salt, and seasonings, and cooking them until they're beautifully browned and delicious. To successfully roast vegetables, you'll need a few basic ingredients and tools. Vegetables. Almost any vegetable can be roasted. Popular choices include potatoes, carrots, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and bell peppers. Seasonings. Salt, pepper, and any herbs or spices you like. Oil. A bit of oil helps the vegetables roast properly and enhances their flavor. Oven. Preheat your oven, typically between 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, and 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, depending on the vegetable. The process involves tossing your vegetables with oil and seasonings, spreading them in a single layer on a baking sheet, and roasting until they're golden and tender. Remember, spacing is key. Overcrowding the pan can lead to steaming rather than roasting. 1. Cut sizes evenly. This ensures that all your vegetables roast at the same rate. 2. High heat. Roasting at high temperatures is the secret to getting that perfect blend of crispy and tender. 3. Flip halfway through. Turning your vegetables halfway through the cooking time ensures even roasting. 4. Experiment with seasonings. Don't be afraid to try different herbs and spices to find your favorite combinations. Roasting vegetables is a simple yet powerful cooking technique that can elevate your meals to a new level of deliciousness. Whether you're learning English or looking to expand your cooking skills, remembering the phrase, roast the vegetables, will serve you well in both conversations and in the kitchen. Happy roasting, and we hope you enjoy exploring this tasty method as much as we do.